Guys, so we have an urgent information coming out. NASA releases image and a video of 3i Atlas. We're going to see what's going on here, guys. Very important update. If you can, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And, whoa. Hold on. Give me a second here. Let me see if I can slow down the speed. No, I can't. Oh man, I wanted to slow down the speed on this one here. Jeez. Whoops. Okay, so that's something else. Wow. Here's a picture. So we're going to see what's going on here. NASA releases new images of interstellar visitor Comet 3i Atlas. Alright guys, before I start, for those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife Jessica Santiago at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida 34691. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. Let me just remove this picture. So NASA has shared new images of 3i Atlas, the interstellar visitor that's due to be visible from Earth again soon before leaving our solar system. So the comet was first discovered by the NASA-funded Atlas Survey Telescope in the Rio Hurtado, Chile, and reported to the Minor Planet Center on July 1st, 2025. It made its closest approach to the sun on Wednesday, October 29. It was its behavior at this point. Now you have Loeb. This is the man that believes that this is a space alien ship or something. So Loeb said that that would help determine whether it is a normal comet or an extraterrestrial ship, as he speculated. However, emerging evidence seems to suggest the comet is just as it appears to be. However, a recent set of observations taken from the vicinity of Mars may help future planetary defense efforts, scientists said earlier this week. So here's some pictures. Ooh, very nice. A whole bunch of dots. Okay, so they have dates, time. Most of them, it seems like it's September, but yeah, it's not very helpful. I mean, that video was amazing. I got to give the video 9 out of 10. But these pictures here, it just it's basically nothing to me. Yeah. It's not a shocker. It says here the comet is named 3i Atlas because it is the third interstellar object found passing through our solar system and was discovered by the Atlas Survey Telescope. In releasing the new images, NASA emphasized that while the comet poses no threat to Earth, and will get no closer than 170 million miles of us next month, the comet did fly within 19 million miles of Mars back in early October. All right, so this thing is not going to be a threat. It's not gonna be one of those Armageddon stuff. Various NASA missions are working together to track and study this rare interstellar comet as it passes through our solar system. What is this? Is that a picture? That's a half a picture. A faint image of Comet 3i Atlas observed by ESA/NASA SOHO mission between October 15th through the 26th. But that's only half a picture. Where's the rest? Oh, hold on. Give me a second here. I don't know if you guys could see that. I don't know if you guys could see that. Okay. In a live stream, Tom Statler, lead scientist for Solar System Small Bodies, discussed images from NASA's asteroid studying Psyche missions on September 8th and the 9th, when the comet was about 33 million miles, that's 53 million kilometers, from the spacecraft. The data is helping astronomers refine the trajectory of 3I Atlas and learn more about the faint coma or cloud of gas surrounding its nucleus, according to NASA. Here's another picture. Not much. I'm not too excited about this one here. But again, like I said, the video was amazing. Stadler also discussed how the asteroid analyzing Lucy spacecraft observing the comet from the opposite direction on September 16. Another image taken by the Mars orbiting Maven spacecraft on September 28 shows not a direct picture of the comet but a spectrum including hydrogen gases, which can help determine its chemical composition. ESA/NASA SOHO mission also imaged the comet from October 15 through the 16 after it has passed Mars. The high-resolution imaging science experiment camera aboard NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter also captured 3I Atlas on October 2nd. At the time it was imaged, the comet was about 0.2 astronomical units, 19 million miles or 30 million kilometers from the spacecraft. All right. So this is the latest update. I want to see if I could play that video one more time. So here's the video. Give me a second here. Let me see if I can zoom it in. Yeah, I can do it. I can do that. Okay, so here we go. That's really bright. That is really bright. Yeah, it won't let me play like multiple times. It just takes me to another video. Alright, so yeah, that was amazing. Let me see if I could pause it for a second here. Here we go. So I have to refresh the page. That's amazing. So you got the sun. So this is the sun right here. This is the sun. And they have that disk. But this is the sun right here. And then you have 3I Atlas. I thought it was really close to the sun, but that's not really close. That's just a huge distance away. That's amazing. That's a amazing photo right there, guys. Wow. Alright, so I'm going to leave this in the comments box if you guys want to check it out. I'm going to leave the this news article. That's amazing. Look at that. Wow. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments down below. What are your thoughts? And again, I just feel like NASA has a lot more stuff. They just don't want to share it. I mean, we got some little dot lights, pictures. Not too excited, but videos like that is what Americans would like to see. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time later. Peace.